And the big story that we're breaking here on Headlines today, it's a fallout of Headlines today's Operation Dhritarashtra 3 expose on Salman Khurshid's trust. Raids are going on across 17 districts in Uttar Pradesh. The Economic Offences Wing of the Uttar Pradesh government is carrying out a series of raids across 17 districts. The raids are being carried out at the Viklang welfare offices in these 17 districts. The Director General of the Economic Offences Wing has confirmed that his teams have fanned out across these 17 districts. They've reached offices of the Viklang Kalyan Vibhag to investigate and to collect documents pertaining to probe in the Zakir Hussain Memorial Trust case. These raids follow a Headlines Today expose over alleged irregularities in the trust run by the Union Law Minister Salman Khurshid and his wife Louise Khurshid. She is the project director of this trust, the person you see on your television screen just now. Let me bring in Headlines Today's Amir Haq for more on this. Amir, raids across 17 districts. Give us the details.
Well, Gaurav, the DG Economic Offences Wing has confirmed that his team is there. It has fanned out in all the 17 districts and zonal headquarters, including the state headquarters. And what they are doing is right now is collating different documents. They are collecting documents. They are investigating, speaking to the government officers involved in the disbursal of a grant to the Dr. Zakir Hussain Memorial Trust. And they are basically finding the basic details pertaining to whether the beneficiaries had actually benefited from what the Zakir Hussain Memorial Trust trustees claim. Technically we may not call it a raid because there is no use of force, and also because this is on the both sides of the end. The government authorities are finally involved in the case. On one side is the Economic Offences Wing case, and on the other side is the Disabled Welfare Department officials who are willfully giving away the documents they've been asked to. So technically it may not be called a raid, but yes, they are investigating, they are getting the documents, they're collating the documents, and the probe is actually on, and in fact it has gathered some pace over the last 2 days.
The question that is being asked at this stage, Amir, is what is the need for these fresh searches, if you don't want to call it a raid, fresh search and seizure operations for documents if a probe was carried out by the UP government and that probe itself found irregularities, and officers went on record to say that there are irregularities in the functioning of the trust, and that report has already been submitted. Why are they reinventing the wheel?
The Chief Minister hasn't responded to that as yet. But yes, our sources from within the government say that the initial probe which was ordered was of a preliminary nature, and that was ordered by the government before this government came into power. And now, when the preliminary probe report was submitted around June this year, in fact, around July this year, in fact on July 3rd, the government ordered an Economic Offences Wing probe to further substantiate the findings of the earlier
Stay on
report.
with me, Amir. Amir, I'll continue talking to you, getting more details on these search and seizure operations that are going on across 17 districts in Uttar Pradesh. But what did the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav say about these investigations? Let's listen in.
पुरानी सरकार में ही जांच शुरू हुई थी और उसके बाद प्रकट जब सरकार समाजवादी पार्टी की बनी तब मौका मिला, तो वो जांच अपने आप होगी। जांच में पता लगेगा कि आखिरकार क्या निर्णय लिया जाए। तो जांच से पहले हम कोई टिप्पणी कैसे कर दें, और जांच से पहले कोई टिप्पणी ये कैसे कर देगा कि जांच नहीं होगी निष्पक्ष। तो ये सवाल भी तो बड़ा है, महत्वपूर्ण।